If you're planning to study, work, or move abroad, you have probably heard of IELTS, which is an English language test. But why should you choose IELTS over other English tests? Well, there are 5 main reasons. The first one is it's globally recognized. IELTS is accepted by over 12,000 institutions in more than 140 countries. Study, work, and migration is the second reason. If you're applying for a job, a university program, or even a visa, IELTS is often one of the requirements to prove your English skills. It's available worldwide. There are thousands of test centers across the world, so IELTS makes it really easy for you to find a location near you. The next reason is it's fair and reliable. The test measures all 4 English skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. And the way it measures your levels is very strict and accurate. And finally, there are flexible options. You can choose between the academic or general training test and decide whether to take the test on paper or on a computer. Now, apart from all of those reasons, taking the IELTS test can open many opportunities for you, whether that's study, work, or immigration. So if you're really serious about getting a high IELTS score, check out our IELTS preparation course. The link is in the description, and I'll see you next time.